Mabuhay! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and we are back for another video reaction. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Love. So for today's video guys, we'll do react on this talented artist from Philippines, Josh Collin, as he uploaded this official music video, Sumaya. I'm so excited to listen to it, guys. But before we start this video, big shout out to all 18. Big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for always watching my reaction video on Josh Collin and all the SB19 fans. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much. Well, I'm really so excited to listen to it, guys. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Paborito mong yakapin, mauna na mahirap nang hanapin. Sabi sa'kin ng mga kaibigan kong matalik, wag na daw kitang habulin. Napangiti ako na tumingin sa salamin, dahil kaya ko pala pakawalan ka. Mas malawak na yung kama, kaya handa na ba lahat ng mga gamit mo? Huwag mong kalimutan yung mga bigay ko. Kahit di na natin balak pang ayusin, dapat kitang iatid kung saan ka masaya. Doon ka na makakalaya ka na. Ipagmamalaki kita, buo ka na para sa kanya. Para bang hinanda kita, para lang mapunta ka sa iba. Kaya kapag naiatid ka, di na kita susunduin. Pinapalaya na kita, total kulang na lang ang pansinan kapag uuwi. Sinusungitan kapag gusto ko lambingan, iniiwasan mga labi, ayaw dumampi. Pero laging sumusunod lang, bigit mata, alam mo di ko kaya na magalit. Sa'yo umikot aking mundo, paano mo to nagawa?
Ang galing yung Martin ni Josh. OMG. Oh my.
Hindi mo na ako masisisi, di na rin makukumbinsi. Di na kita kaya pang lingunin, di mo na rin kailangan pang aminin. Kaya halika na, ihatid na lang kita kung saan ka masaya. Doon ka na makakalaya ka na. Ipagmamalaki kita, buo ka na para sa kanya. Para bang hinanda kita, para lang mapunta ka sa iba. Kaya kapag naiatid ka, di na kita susunduin.
Ang sakit nun. Oh no, Josh, don't cry. Nandito naman kami. Sakta naman ako. Wow, there you have it, guys. The Sumaya official music video by Josh Collin. Wow, na-speechless ako doon. Anyway, yung lyrics po ng kanta is very relatable. Sobrang makakakonect ka. Sino hindi makakakonect sa kanta na to when you start listening to it? I think everyone talagang mararamdaman yung kanta. Feeling ko, lahat na makikinig nito, mararamdaman yung nararamdaman ni Josh right now doing this music video or singing this song. And, wow, alam mo, para sa akin, ito yung kanta na nasaktan ka, nandun ka sa stage of denial, and then, I mean, mararamdaman mo yung 5 stages of breakup. You know what I mean, guys? Like, denial, bargaining, and then move on. Nandun ka sa part na pinifeel mo pa na pwede pa ba? Hindi na ba pwede? Tapos biglang mapapakinggan mo to. For me, kung nandun ako sa stage na yun, pag napakinggan ko tong kanta na to, parang gusto ko na mag-move on. Alam mo yun, yung parang wala na pag-asa, gusto ko na mag-move on. Very inspiring tong kantang to sa mga taong heartbroken at nasaktan during the breakups. And sobrang ganda ng liriko. Sobrang makaka-relate ka. Ang ganda ng harmony ng songs. And also, the highlights of this music video is yung pag-arte ni Josh. Sobrang galing. Alam mo yung nadala talaga ako doon sa last part. I feel like crying listening to him, watching him doing, you know, crying. Parang gusto ko na sabihin, Josh, move on ka na. Dito naman kami. Huwag ka na malungkot. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Top interaction with the for today. I hope you didn't cry while listening to this song. This is really beautiful, very inspiring song to every broken-hearted out there, to those gusto nang mag-move on. Sobrang ganda ng kantang ito. If you want to watch the full video in this, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below to check it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please still like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my video. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day today. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe for one. Bye.